This story is about the time when Pandavas defeated the Kauravas in Mahabharata war and Yudhishthir was made the king of Hastinapur. After this war in Mahabharata, an incident has been mentioned where Mahabali Hanuman gave 3 hairs of his body to Bhim. Now, we will be going to tell you all why Hanuman gave his 3 body hair to Bhim and when. One day, Narad Muni came to King Yudhishthir and told him that his father, King Pandu, is not happy in heaven. Then Yudhishthir asked Narad Muni what's the reason behind his father's sadness. Narad Muni replied that when his father was alive, he wanted to perform Rajsuya Yagya, imperial sacrifice, which he was not able to do. That's why he feels sad in the heaven. Narad Muni suggested Yudhishthir that if he wants his father's soul to rest in peace in heaven, he should perform this Rajsuya Yagya. Yudhishthir agreed to do so and started organizing everything for Rajsuya Yagya. He decided to invite Rishi Purushmriga to do this Yagya. Rishi Purushmriga was a great devotee of Lord Shiva and like his name sounds, his half body was of a male and another half of deer. Yudhishthir sends Bhim to invite Rishi Purushmriga for the Yagya. While Bhim was going through the jungle to search Rishi Purushmriga, in the midway he met Hanuman. When Bhim started moving forward, Hanuman stopped him and gave him 3 hairs of his body and told him that this hair will help him when he will face any trouble ahead. Then after moving for a while, Bhim met Rishi Purushmriga and paid respect to him and invited him to come to perform the Rajsuya Yagya. Rishi Purushmriga agreed but on the same time put a condition in front of Bhim that he has to reach Hastinapur before Rishi Purushmriga reaches. Otherwise he will be going to eat Bhim. Bhim accepted this condition of Rishi Purushmriga. Then Bhim started running with his full power towards Hastinapur. After running for some time, Bhim stopped to check that till where Rishi Purushmriga had reached. He found that Rishi Purushmriga is just about to catch him and he started running faster. While running, the thought of Hanuman came to his mind that if he faces any trouble ahead, his 3 hairs will help him. Then, while running, Bhim threw 1 hair on the ground. That 1 hair becomes lakhs of shivlings. As Rishi Purushmriga was a great devotee of Lord Shiva, he stopped to worship all those shivlings one by one. Again, when Bhim was running and saw Rishi Purushmriga about to catch him, he threw another hair which turned into lakhs of shivlings in the path of Rishi Purushmriga. Then again, Rishi Purushmriga stopped to worship each shivling in his path. Bhim did the same thing the third time also to stop Rishi Purushmriga to catch him. Till then, Bhim was about to enter the gate of Hastinapur. That moment, Rishi Purushmriga came running very fast and caught Bhim. The moment Rishi Purushmriga catched Bhim, half of his body was inside the gate of Hastinapur and another half outside Hastinapur gate. Now Rishi Purushmriga decided to eat Bhim, but Bhim stopped him saying that he can't eat him as he is inside the gate of Hastinapur. On the other hand, Rishi Purushmriga disagreed to Bhim's point of view as half of his body was still outside the gate of Hastinapur, so he can eat him. That time Sri Krishna and Yudhishthir came there and stopped their argument. Then Rishi Purushmriga asked Yudhishthir to do justice. Yudhishthir replied that the moment you caught Bhim, only his feet were outside the gate, so you can eat his feet only. With Yudhishthir's fair judgment, Rishi Purushmriga felt very happy and gave life to Bhim. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and also subscribe our channel.